Today I'm going to show you how to make Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber. So you want to start with a thin cardboard roll and then cut it down to about 7 inches. Then give it a coating of school glue. Once it's dry, coat it with glossy black paint. Then take a strip of silver adhesive foil and wind that around the bottom. And then cut a bunch of 5mm craft foam rectangles and cover the tops and sides with silver adhesive foil. And then you want to use a glue that will stick to the adhesive foil, so I'm using Power Tack. You just want to glue those little rectangles all the way around that silver strip. And then take another strip of silver foil and just going to wrap that around the center of the tube. And then cut some long strips of 3mm craft foam in black. And you're just going to glue those all the way around that black part toward the bottom of the lightsaber, just like that. Then cut a rectangle of 5mm craft foam, cover the top and sides in silver, and that should fit. It should be the same length as that silver piece in the middle. So glue that right on there. Then take some sticky back sequins and just make a line of sequins all the way down the center of that rectangle. And so my video camera, some reason, didn't film some of this, so those little pieces on the sides were just beads. So that's what you're looking at there. I spray painted them silver. And on the other side, that was just a piece of cardboard I wrapped in silver foil, and I glued it onto the side of the rectangle to make the switch. Up at the top are just some rectangles of 3mm craft foam, and I glued those all the way around to make the little grippy area. And then that part, the cylinder, was just a piece of cardstock I rolled up and covered in gold foil. And the very end, that was just a cardboard bottle cap, and I glued that onto the end of the cylinder. Again, I don't know why my camera wasn't recording this stuff, but hopefully this explains the parts that I've missed. So, back to the parts that I did film. Trace the end of the bottle cap on a piece of cardboard, and then you want to cut out larger than the line, and then just glue that onto the end of the bottle cap so it should stick out beyond the bottle cap. And then cut a bunch of thin cardboard rectangles, and you're just going to glue those onto the gold covered cylinder all the way around, just like that. And then you want to put a little bit of glue on the end of each of those pieces of cardboard and wrap a strip of regular paper right around that. And then just cut it off so that it's the same height as all the pieces of cardboard. So you end up with this. And then take a circle of black craft foam and glued that on the very bottom of the lightsaber. Then I took some spots of gunmetal gray and I painted over them while they were still wet with copper. So the copper and the gunmetal gray mixed together to create kind of a distressed look. And then I did the same thing on the top, but reversed the order. I did copper and then painted over that with gray, the gunmetal gray. And again, it gives it kind of the distressed look, which is exactly what you want. So then on the very end, I made a circle with the sequins, and then took a little bit of metallic silver puffy paint and made a circle right in the center. And then I ran a line of puffy paint on either side of the sequence line, and then put on the finishing touches, a few lines of puffy paint over on the side. And so then that is the entire lightsaber. Lightsaber is a Jedi's weapon. Your father wanted you to have this.
How did my father die?
I cut off both his arms and legs and left him lying in a bed of lava.
Obi-Wan?
A young Jedi named Darth Vader betrayed and murdered your father. I wasn't even there.